Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be drawing a super cute, easy Christmas tree. This will be perfect for kids, beginners, and this can be a drawing that can be fun, homemade holiday gift that you can give away to any special loved one. So grab your pencil, grab your paper, grab your markers. Let's get to drawing. Whew. So let's start putting in the base of our Christmas tree. We're going to start by drawing in a very wide triangle for that, just like the shape of a pizza. That we all know what the shape of a pizza is like. Now, as I draw this in, I want to also make sure to keep in mind to keep a little bit of space at the top here where our star is going to be shining. I'm going to do something a little bit different with my star, but you guys will see. And then we also want to make sure we keep a little bit of space at the bottom for our tree trunk. So let's draw that in. Another thing that I also want to mention too is when you're drawing in your drawing, especially at first, keep your lines light so that it can be easy to erase as we go along in the drawing and we start putting in our details and stuff. Now we're going to do is we're going to split this triangle into 4 sections. So I'm just going to draw a line here, one line right there, and another line right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got our 4 sections here. They don't have to be perfect. So I just want to remind you of that. All right. Okay, so this is going to be so easy. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add in the tree trunk. So we're just going to draw a very small triangle for this. Something like that. Okay, your tree trunk can be as short, it can be as long as you want it. This is your Christmas tree. Now we're going to start building it up with adding details. So how I'm going to do that is through using lines. I'm going to compare this to is like clouds. So you know how clouds are very fluffy, they're very round shaped. That's where we're going to be doing to build up our Christmas tree. And I'm going to start by doing this section by section. So watch. Look at that, y'all. Don't that look so beautiful? And I bet you all Christmas tree looks gorgeous as well. Oh my God. So we're going to move on now to the fun part, the decorating. So decorate your Christmas tree however you want to decorate it, right? You can make it as simple. You can make it as fancy as you want. I'm going to decorate my Christmas tree using heart ornaments. And instead of putting a star at the top of my Christmas tree, I'm going to do a glowing heart. So I'm going to be using my color markers today to color my Christmas tree. These are the colors that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using some greens here for my Christmas tree itself. I'm going to be using a brown for my tree trunk. And then these colors over here, I'm going to be using these as my ornament colors. And then I'm going to be using a basic black to do some line work. So let's get into it. All right, everybody. So I am done decorating my Christmas tree. I think it looks very, very beautiful, very festive. If you all are satisfied with how your Christmas tree is looking right now, we're going to move on to the outline of the drawing. So I'm going to be using a darker green and a black marker to do my outline of my Christmas tree. This is going to make it pop and it's going to make it look super bold. And there you have it, everybody. A super cute and easy Christmas tree drawing that you can give as a gift, hang on your wall, or turn into a holiday card. If you enjoyed this Christmas drawing, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more holiday art fun, share your drawings in the comments. I would love to see you all Christmas trees. And bye, friends, and have a happy holiday.